So we just had a very exciting time. Basically, my fuel tank ran out and I rode for probably at least 5 miles when it was on 0. At one point, Keith tried to push me, and as I was coasting down the hills in neutral, trying to save gas. And no joke, as I'm basically starting to sputter, we find a gas station. Now, granted, it was like almost $7 per gallon, but regardless, the adventure continues. Nothing stops us. Did not have to pull over, didn't have to siphon gas, and now we're at this amazing local spot. And I can't remember the town. Keith would know. Basically, there's hot springs, old mining town, and now we're gonna check out this brewery and barbecue. Pretty sweet local spot. So definitely want a beer and some barbecue right now. Sweet. Check this out. Just sit wherever.
Yep.
Unless you're going to be here for 3 to 6 days. And you want to get, you know, swimming effect.
Okay.
1832. We got that hydroponic for you.
How we did it, we made it.
Amazing.
What'd you go with? IPA?
IPA.
That's it.
What kind is it? Double IPA, War Eagle.
Ooh,
Good.
I don't like that.
Beer.
Yeah, that's good. You're welcome to try this out. I drank on this side over here.
Mmm. Delicious. Good stuff. Good. This is a cool town. I feel like I'm in the middle of nowhere.
All right. I don't have service.
I don't have it.
Especially as you get out the Joshua Tree, it gets weirder and weirder when you go out that way.
Yeah.
It's got like people just make random statues
Like
in
art
the
and
desert.
stuff in the desert.
Art, like random art just in the desert.
I've seen videos of it.
Random there's a crochet museum of all things. It's literally like a 10 by 10 museum for nothing, all things crochet.
It's so weird.
It's like random stuff. I mean,
Weird, but also kind of cool. Quirky. Do any of you guys recognize that dude with the mohawk on their West Coast IPA
no.
label?
Who is it?
Think Nintendo.
Skater die.
Brian got it. He was on the original Skate or Die for Nintendo NES. Oh, I just noticed that there's even a little skateboard to the bottom right. The flight of beers on it. So, tell me about this place. You said old mines,
There's a mining town.
hot springs. So you said it's a mining town, obviously not active mines. So like originally it was repurposed.
There's some active mines still here.
Yeah.
But it was started as a mining town back in the old gold rush days.
So gold mining.
Silver, lead, a lot of lead mining actually, I believe, through here. I think War Eagle was a lead mine. And if you go up in the mountains over in this way, there's remnants of mines everywhere. I mean, shafts, construction, ponds. I mean, you can find it all up in there. I mean, the biggest mine that I've ever been in southern Nevada is in Tecopa. That's War Eagle, and I think it's at least 15 levels deep. Each level being over 10 feet.
And what's the name of the town?
Tecopa.
Tecopa.
So there's a campground somewhere here?
There's multiple campgrounds. There's cabins if we want to rent cabins.
What kind of cabin are you talking?
Johnny said there's some inexpensive
Like-
cabins here.
Like central air cabin, or like not even lights? Like what's the, or somewhere in the middle?
No, like kind of utilities and stuff.
Right,
and,
yeah,
and air conditioning and stuff, but a small, they're like glorified sheds basically with air, electric and stuff.
As long as there's not bed bugs.
I think you can rent teepees here too. If you want to live in,
Oh, that's
live
cool.
in a teepee.
Like glamping.
Who had the brisket sandwich?
Thanks.
I do believe that's still BLM land, but I checked the maps with wilderness land. They've been messing around out here. The lines have been, they posted, you know, whatever new states on Cypher. I used to go rent rock country, so I'm not sure if they did a swap or if somebody acquired another mining right. But signs were going up. So again, always mindful of wilderness versus BLM.
Yeah. Okay.
And of course, I'm supposed to promote, don't go in mines because it's unsafe.
That's right. That's right.
And always take water in the desert and drink it.
Shack like occupancy at the campground might be a problem.
Maybe we should ask about the cabins first, just get an idea how much it is. I mean, if they're cheap, like Joni said, it might be worth it. Plus, it's still pretty hot out. I don't know how stagnant we're going to want to be in an exposed campground. So, an interesting turn of events, to say the least. After the whole fiasco with me almost running out of fuel, we are in this small mining town with desert people. Everyone's really nice, but definitely a little quirky, but that's okay. But we were going to camp in tents tonight, and we were advised not to do that because there's going to be 45-mile-an-hour winds tonight. So what did we do? We last minute rented a house, and it feels a little post-apocalyptic. I'll show you what I mean. So this is the entrance. It's like an old double wide or something. There's the motorcycles. Brian. So let me take you for the grand tour here. Here's the door with the knob that kind of works. When he was giving us the tour, there was a couple that was literally locked in the swimming pool and had broken the doorknob off. So this is the first sketchy couch. We will not be sleeping there. A little patio area to have some festivities, maybe a card game. There's a wall unit AC there. Here's the kitchen. We do have a coffee maker, so there's that, a little drip coffee. There are outlets here, though 2-prong, but we'll be able to charge some things. Refrigerator. We'll go down Blair Witch Project, aka Creepy Hallway number 1. This is a toilet. And then going down Creepy Hallway number 2, or just cutting over, you get to the bedroom that I refused to sleep in. So I think Keith is maybe taking this bed. Then going back up Creepy Hall number 2, we've got the futon. This is going to be my accommodations for this evening. Doesn't look very luxurious, but considering I was going to be laying on the ground tonight, just like I did last night, it's not too bad. Plus, little hack that the other guys didn't recognize, I also have a wall unit right here, real close to me. Fan noise, AC, cold AC, good stuff. I think Brian's gonna take this bed. The reason the sheets are already pulled back Yes, we did check for bed bugs. That was literally the first thing we did when we walked in here. You know, or after checking for a serial killer, then we looked for the bed bugs. But no bed bugs, so we're gonna have a break from the wind. We're gonna have a mattress to sleep on, and we have access to multiple pools. Don't mind the creepy couples who are obviously here on a romantic vacation, and we are not. There are hot springs. We do have a shower, not connected to here, but across the office area. And yeah, this is where we're going to be staying for this evening. So stay tuned.